Okay, it's now Monday, the 26th. At least a foot here, but there was a little bit of snow on the ground before. She's running off on her leash. So this is what it looks like here. The roads are clean. Snow is heavy in the trees. Give you an idea of how deep the snow is. It's up to her chest. And then it's to the top of my boots and the bottom of my coat. And my coat is at my knees. So it's pretty deep. So it's about, I don't know, it's probably about maybe 16 inches here. It depends on where you stand, where you go, how much snow is drifted and fallen. But yeah, we didn't get as much as they expected, but that's a good thing. So, not bad after all. I've seen worse snowstorms here. It was years ago, but I've seen much worse snowstorms. Lying on my swing, swinging with my dog. Yeah, say, stay safe and stay warm, everybody. There's my dog.